Welcome, I'm John Baker and we're here today to talk about some of the new enhancements to NX9. Today we're going to talk about an enhancement we've added in the drafting area. And this is the ability to create hole callouts on your drawing. And so we're going to go in and actually just simply select these features. And as you can see, as I select them, it automatically knows exactly how to create the hole callout based on your standard that you've established for your organization, either a standard that has been you've customized for your own use or one of the international standards. And even if you need to sort of change the standard, I look at this thing and I say, yes, I can set this up in customer defaults the way I want it, but I can also come in here and edit this call out. For example, I might want to remove the fit option where it says H13 there. Maybe we don't use letter number call out, fit call outs, so I just want to remove that. Obviously, if that's part of your standard, you would do that in customer defaults. Now, there's another way of doing this same sort of thing, and that is to use what we call a hole table. And so I can come in here and define an entire table, which will not only give me the sizes of all the holes, but also all of the dimensions. So the first thing we need to do is define an origin where the dimensions are going to be taken from. So I'm going to use this theoretical corner down here as my zero origin, and then I select all of the features that are going to be included in the table, and then I simply position the table where I would like it to be. So now there's the table, and as you can see, we've got all of the holes. We have those same callouts that you just saw a moment ago are now actually here as entries in the table, and each one of the holes has been, and as you notice as I go over a cell, it actually highlights on the model the hole that is tied to that particular cell. And so this is an alternative way of both dimensioning the location of the holes as well as defining the specification for the holes on this model. So that's a new enhancement that was added to drafting. We've had similar capabilities in the past, but what we've done for NX9 is streamlined it, made it much easier to use, much more straightforward, and importantly has given you the ability to now edit these things in a much more comprehensive fashion than you've ever been able to do before, as well as being able to set up your standards either following the international standards or customizing those standards to meet your own company's requirements using customer defaults and templates and so on. Thank you very much.